me a favour, bud.
Driving safe.
No. Do me a favour, while you're driving, and I know you are driving, so I'm respectful of that, could you drop a couple of words in about what this new drone home registration business is all about?
I'll be totally honest with you, I didn't fully read it, but...
TLDR?
Yeah, just Kurt, he sent it to me. He's like, bro, you need to register the drone. And so apparently everyone with a drone or model aircraft over a certain size, you're talking like RC airplanes here now, need to register them. Like to me, like I'm flying a drone, right? I'm no 747, right? I ain't got 300 or 400 or 500 people on my aircraft, do I? You know?
You are the size of a 747.
Exactly. So I'm just flying a drone, minding my own business. I'm respectful because the majority of these high-end drones, like these guys, don't let you take off in the airports for that sort of space anyway. So, you know, it's people that ruined it, like the so-called Heathrow, whatever, Gatwick, whichever one it was, where no drones were even spotted, were they? But apparently, you know, that's what they went with. It's people like that have ruined it for us, basically, for minding our own business, etc., etc. Do you know what, that car park might work in the back down with it.
I was going to say, Countrywide, that was open when it was last year, we did it. Or is it now over on that road? I can't remember. So when you say you have to register, you have to put in like the serial number of it and your details and all of this, so they know they can tie up a drone to an owner. Is there anything else involved? Because there was talk before about there having to be a little bit of a test, wasn't it?
Well, I know you can do your licenses, but I think that's just for commercial work.
It's not mandatory, is it?
Nah, so we don't do I don't know why I drove the nest.
Yeah, I was wondering why you kept going as well, but never mind.
Yeah, so that's if you want to do commercial work with it, then you're going to need to do the license, which in all fairness, probably want to have a license or to do the license, but I don't plan on doing it because we just use I've used it from like 4 times in the last 6 months, so it's not really needed from that aspect. But
so there you are, you heard it straight from the horse's mouth itself.
Yeah, this
Just Kurt via him, innit? Well, him via just Kurt.
This week or next week you need to register them. Don't ask you what the repercussions are if you get caught flying it without being registered.
We'll find out soon, innit? New video coming up of him getting caught banged to rights, innit? I would have just gone in the exit, but that's me, innit?
I think I might work well in here, wouldn't it? Do you think?
Could do, eh?
It's quiet, isn't it?
It is a bit, innit? Yeah, man, so that's that. Mini review of this coming soon or already up. I don't know, innit? All the best. Thanks for watching. Boosh, boosh and boosh.
Ta-ra now.